So hello guys, in this video I will tell about the zoo gift box timing for the different regions of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and Nigeria, so you can easily claim your rewards. Let's move on the timings and the amount of feed you will get. So the first gift box will appear on the map at 11:15 UTC. The reward will be 1385 animal feeds and the duration of time will be 15 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 4:45 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 4:15 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 5:15 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 12:15 pm. Now move on to the second gift box. The second gift box will appear on the map at 15:20 UTC. The reward will be 312 animal feeds and duration of time will be 30 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 8:50 pm. For Pakistan timing it will be 8:20 pm. For Bangladesh timing it will be 9:20 pm and for Nigeria timing it will be 4:20 pm. Now our final gift box and the most feed box appear on the map at 20:25 UTC. The reward will be 3549 animal feeds and duration of time will be 10 minutes. For Indian timing it will be 1:55 am. For Pakistan timing it will be 1:25 am. For Bangladesh timing it will be 2:25 am. For Nigeria timing it will be 9:25 pm. Hope you like the video. If you want to add your country timing, just comment on the comment box. I will add it. Till then, meet you in a new video. Take care. Bye bye.